5 reasons why you should use the HOOC ClientApp. Are you a system integrator, technician, or PLC programmer? Fantastic! Then allow us to showcase in the next 90 seconds why and how our HOOC ClientApp will enhance your daily workflow. 1. Secure remote access. Thanks to our secure VPN, you will be granted direct access to all the systems you manage. With just one click on your HOOC ClientApp, you can see an overview of your entire plant park and the HOOC services that are connected to it. 2. Web-based device connection. Furthermore, you can access all your devices such as PCs, webcams, and other visualizations by means of a web-based setpoints service. 3. Secure remote control. Once connected, you can program, monitor, and control your installations from remote. 4. Smart alert and alarm log. Should a malfunction or system breakdown ever occur, you will receive an automatic push notification on your app. You also have the flexibility to opt for other alarm channels such as email, text message, or phone call. And in order to guarantee a better long-term site management, you will find the latest fault messages conveniently listed in your HOOC alarm log. 5. Client administration. While the ClientApp was developed specifically for you as a system integrator, your customers can easily take control of their sites by downloading the HOOC Compact app. Empowering customers to monitor their own installations fosters trust and nurtures strong customer relationships. Are you ready to get started? Download your ClientApp now. For Windows and Mac in the HOOC Management Portal, and for iPhone and Android from Google Play or App Store. HOOC. Never stop to develop.